5 little ducks in the morning light rattle to the creek so clear and bright. Quack, quack, splash went every beak, dancing ripples in Rainbow Creek. They swam past flowers red and blue, chasing bubbles drifting through. One little duck said, "Wait for me," and paddled off behind a tree. Mama duck called with a gentle sound, "Quack, quack, it's time to gather round." 4 little ducks came swimming back, wiggly tails and feathers black. They splished and splashed with happy cheer, skipping stones and floating near. Another duck explored the bend, following a dragonfly friend. Mama duck called a little louder now, "Quack, quack, come back somehow." 3 little ducks swam home once more, shaking drops upon the shore. Clouds rolled in with soft spring rain, rainbow colors shone again. Mama duck waited calm and bright, calling with love both day and night. Then from the creek with joyful cries, 5 little ducks appeared surprised, all together safe and sound, quacking rainbows all